Hello guys, so Matt Dils here, and ang discussion natin for today is the relations and functions under the functions of differential calculus. So, eto. Ang relation is a set of ordered pairs that associate elements from one set to elements of another set. And then, a function naman ay special type of relation in which each input corresponds to exactly one output. Functions are fundamental in differential calculus because they describe relationship between variable and how quantities change. And yung mga learning objective natin dito is define relations and functions, distinguish a relation from a function, and then recognize the importance of functions in mathematics and calculus. So, ayan. Understanding relations and function. So, a relations is any collection of ordered pairs. So, we have this 1, 2, 2, 2, and then 3, 6. A function satisfies the rule. Every input has exactly one output. Example, 1, 2, and then 2, 4, and also 3, 6. So, magbigay tayo ng isa pang example ng relation. Sa relation ay, pwede tayo magkaroon ng 1, 2, and then 1, 3, and then 2, 6. So, ayan. Ito ay relation. So, masasabi ba natin na ito ay isa function? So, this is not a function. Kasi, yung 1 natin, meron siya 2 values which is 2. And then, yung isa pang 1 natin which is 3. So, kung iwawap pa natin to, meron tayong 1 sa x. And then, yung y. Meron tayong x na 1. And then, 2. So, ito yan. X and then 2. Tapos, sa y naman, meron tayong 2. And then, meron din tayong 3. Meron tayong 6. So, kung ibabap natin yan, may kita natin na etong 1 is correspond to 2 and also to 3. And the 2 naman is correspond sa 6. So, may kita natin dyan, etong input natin na 1, meron siya dalawang values na 2 and 3. Which means that this is not a function, but this is a relation. So, relation means na any ordered pair, while function is dapat daw ang input natin is correspond lang sa isang one output. So, every function is a relation, not every relation is a function. Inputs are called the domain, and then outputs are called the range. So, identify a function. Consider the relation of 1, 3, and then 2, 5, and then 3, 7. Step 1, list the inputs. So, meron tayong 1, meron tayong 2, meron tayong 3. So, meron tayong 1, 2, and 3. Check whether any inputs is paired more than one output. So, makikita natin ito 1 corresponds sa 3, which is we have this. And then yung 2 natin, which we have 5. And then yung 3 natin, meron tayo 7. So, makikita natin na 1 is to 1 lang yung mga function natin. So, conclusion natin dito is each input has only one output. And then, this relation is a function. So, alamin natin, function versus non-function. So, example number 1 tayo. So, meron tayo 1, 2, 2, 4, and then 3, 6. Meron tayo dyang x and y. So, imamap natin siya. Unahin natin si 1, etong 2, and then etong 3. Yung y natin is 2, yung y natin ay 4, and also 6. May kita natin na isa-isa lang yung ano nila, up connection. So, the example 1 is a function. And then next, example 2 tayo. So, the same lang yung gagawin natin dito sa example 2. So, meron tayong 1. So, pwede natin siya isulat na isang 1 lang. Meron tayong 3. And then, meron tayong y na 2, 5, and then 6. Mapapansin natin, itong 1, nakatutok siya sa 2 and 5. So, mag-write tayo ng 2 and then 5. Tapos, ito namang 3 is meron tayo 6. So, napansin natin, itong 1 natin na input is correspond sa dalawang value. So, this is a non-function. And then, yung example number 3 natin, the same lang yung gagawin natin na ililist down natin si x and also si y. So, meron tayo dito 1, meron tayo ditong 2, meron tayo ditong 3, and also 4. Ililist down natin yung mga values output. We have 2, 4, 6, and then 8. Makikita natin dyan na 1 is to 2, and then 2 sa 4, 3 sa 6, and then 4 sa 8. So, wala naman value dito sa x na dalawa yung output. So, this is a function. And lastly, sa example number 4 tayo, we have the we have these 2. So, pwede isang number lang isulat natin dyan. Meron tayo 4 and also 5. And then, yung value natin sa y, meron tayong 5, 7, 9, 11. So, etong 2, sa una natin, meron tayo 2 and 5, 2 and 7, 4 and 9, then 5 and 11. Makikita natin dyan na itong number 2 ay meron tayo 2 outputs. So, it means that these ordered pairs ay non-function. So, yan. So, yan yung example natin for function versus non-function. And then, magkakaroon naman tayo ng takeaways. So, a relation is a set of unordered pairs. And then, a function is a special relation where each input corresponds to exactly one output. Every function is a relation, but not every relation is a function. To determine whether a relation is a function, check if any input has more than one output. Functions are essential in differential calculus because they model relationships between changing quantities. So, ito yung ating important reminder. One input is to one output is equal to a function. And then one input to the multiple outputs, this is not a function. So, yeah. Thank you for listening. And if you are looking for a math tutorial, just send us a message at MathDeal Facebook page. And don't also forget to join our Discord server, which is the Engineers Guild PH.